Hi everyone, this is me Supriya and welcome back to Cosplay Genie powered by Nordwind Gaming. So today's video is about Alvida's costume. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So first of all, we are going to make the side section of the corset, and for that we're going to cut the two rectangles, and I am cutting according to my waist size. Followed by the desired pattern according to the design, and then I will cut it. And now heat sealing it properly and giving it a shape. Also I've covered this with a black fabric, and now these are some pretty laces which I'm going to be using in my entire costume. Using an adhesive, I'm adding these laces on the outer side of the corset part. Before pasting it directly, I'm creating frills out of this lace. It seems the process pretty easy here, but in reality it was a little tough because it was a little hard. The lace was hard. Now adding adhesive wherever I had to place the laces. Wow, this part looks so amazing. Now it's time for the waist armor, and for that I will cut this rectangle into 4 parts according to the design. Repeating the same process for the other side of the waist armor. You must be wondering what are the sizes that I am taking here, but it is according to my waist size or my body size. Now heat sealing all these parts properly so that I can get the desired shape. As you can see, I have covered all these parts with a black fabric, and then I have added white lace onto it. Here I am working on the hand part, and for that I am cutting a black fabric into a rectangle shape and creating pleats out of it. Using an adhesive here in order to hold these pleats all together. Cutting the white lace into pieces because I have to add these laces onto the pleats. And one by one I'm going to place these laces onto it. Also, I've applied the adhesive on both the materials, on the lace and on the fabric as well. And here I am cutting a rectangle out of the foam so that I can create a ring out of it. Adding the adhesive on both the ends, and now I'm creating another ring form, but this time it is going to be a flat form. This time it is not going to be a full ring because I am going to cut a section out of it so that I can give it a desired shape. So just like the other parts, I'm going to cover this as well with the black fabric. I could have used black paint here, but I like this texture more. And the pleats will be placed on the one side of this part. To make it more beautiful, adding these pretty laces at the edges of the pleats. And here I am working on the side skirt cover. I'm using a red fabric over here, and I'm going to create pleats out of it. And I'm going to sew them all together and making the edges round, and of course adding a pink net lace. This part consists of 2 layers, and next I'm going to work on the another part which will be placed over it, which is shorter in length, and repeating the same process. So this is the final look of the side skirt. So these are all the parts: the corset, side skirt and side armor. And now I'm working on the corset. Applying adhesive where I have to place the white lace. So the corset is done, and now I'm going to work on the neck part. Just creating a ring out of the black fabric and adding lace. So that's all for today's video, and do let me know in the comments down below if you have any doubts regarding this costume. Till then, I'll see you guys in the next video, which is going to be around Christmas. So do not forget to like, share and subscribe Cosplay Genie. Bye bye.